We are going to present about grease traps. My name is Nitakan Aksorn.
My name is Jirada Chailed.
My name is Supawinee Thiangtad.
My name is Chudapa Chaiyached.
Let's get started.
The material is 1. Threaded connector and internal threaded. 2. Pipe. 3. Basket. 4. Charcoal. 5. Hot glue.
6. Acrylic sheet.
7. Box with lid. 8. Glue.
9. Thin white cloth. 10. Tie.
For how to do it.
The first step is cut the acrylic sheet to the size according to the design. Drill holes in the acrylic sheet to insert the pipe.
The second is attach the acrylic sheet to the body.
The third is cut the pipe to the desired size and connect it to the pipe that fits the holes drilled. Then use the tire to put inside firmly.
The fourth is place the basket and grease on top of the rims and acrylic panels.
The fifth, attach a small basket with charcoal in it to the drain to reduce it.
And the last step is drill a hole in the bottom and connect the drain. Drill a hole in the lid and measure the strainer basket and close the lid.
We would like to end this presentation. Before the end of the clip, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to cheer us up. Thank you.
Bye!